the 1998 Toyota Hilux Surf. It has 92,626 original miles. It comes with the 3RZ FE 2.7 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. It is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. This vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles, as y'all can see right here. The number you're seeing right there, 149,069, that is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 92,626. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Oh, come on. Hey. Hey, baby. Yeah. Okay. I love you. Bye. Sorry about that. That was my child.